Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really nice summer, bold, dramatic, drastic look. Very colorful, very tropical, and I think you can really rock this if you want to, because I'm actually loving it. But anyway, so I'm going to show you how to create this look, and I'm using this Wet n Wild Coloricon palette for this makeup. I think this palette is so perfect for this look because it's very bold and colorful. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this nice, bold, beautiful look, just stay tuned and keep on watching. By the way, don't forget to hit that subscription button. Don't think I forgot, okay? Don't think you can just watch me slay this look and then walk away. Oh hell no, I need you to hit that subscription button so you can see more look like this, and you can be able to give me nice critique on how to make my videos and what look to create next. But I hope you guys really love this makeup look, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much. Now let's roll on to the video.
So yeah. Baby, cool your temper. Baby, no debate.
And for this look, we are going to be using this Wet n Wild Coloricon eyeshadow palette. For my first transition color, I'm going to be using this blending brush that I got from eBay, and I'm going to be dipping in this yellow color. Look at how pigmented it is, and you want to dab it first. So I'm going to put this as my first transition color. I'm going to blend. I'm gonna go in with this pink color. It is super pink. This palette is so pigmented. Like, I really love this palette, and I'm gonna use that as my second transition right under that yellow color, and I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna try to blend both color in. Reddish color right here. Look at how pigmented, yo. Oh my god. You want to dab that because we don't want too much. And then I'm going to place that right under my crease. Right here is my third transition color. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease, and I am using the Ruby Kisses 3D concealer. Okay, so after doing all that blending and I cut and set my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and use the stiff blending brush, and I'm gonna dab on this red color right there, and I'm gonna put that right on the outer portion of my crease. I'm gonna dab it in. Look at how super pigmented this thing is. It is so nice. Head and use a separate stiff brush, and I'm gonna pack in this orangey color right here. I have this brush right here. I'm going to take that yellow color right there, and I'm going to place that right on the outer portion. You know, we want that summer island vibe going on. before I pop on some lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some liners, and this is the Ruby Kisses black liquid liner. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this yellow color right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply that yellow on my eye. Now I'm gonna use this big fluffy brush, and I'm gonna dip into my Ruby Kisses. This is the matte finish powder. I'm gonna use this to kind of blend my face up. Okay, so now to contour, I'm going to be using this Nicka K Duo palette. I really love this palette. That's all I use. Okay, so now for blush, I'm going to use this Nicka K Duo blush. I really love this blush. It's so gorgeous. I'm going to be using this color. It's like a orangey, cool blush. You know what I mean? It's like a raisin blush. All vibrant and whatnot. For my highlighter, I'm going to use this Miss Rose highlighter. It kind of gives you that Fenty. I feel like it's a dupe for the Fenty yellowish highlighter. I forgot what the name is. Wow. But yeah, this is kind of a dupe for it, so I'm going to be using this as my highlighter. So for my lipstick, I'm actually going to be using this lipstick. Is the Pop Fill lipstick that I got from eBay. So now I'm gonna set my face using this Glen Color setting spray. So this is the finished look. This is the finished product. I hope you guys really enjoy this makeup look, because I really like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And my next video will be coming up on Wednesday, so stay tuned. Thank you. Bye.
Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, cool it temper. Baby, no debates. Girl, you make me mental. Girl, you make me crazy. Baby, migrate. Come to my